Hello, this is Unamas again. And today's tutorial is about Unamas tutorial UEFA Master Crack Generator Y Alpine Bad Boys Clan November 28, 2012. And let's start. First, you must open the program. Okay. Goes. And there goes. Now once it's open, enter program. Here. This is a ID generator if you want to crack some masters. And go you must option names here, master charge name 0, option names, option character number, option auto options names generated. Load needs. I will load my names. Goes and goes. If you want to crack Ameritech FlashNet Perisol, I will click in FlashNet, American Talk 21, BT Internet. Actually, guys, I've already cracked many BT Internet masters as Net Prodigy, Pacbell, XSWM, Bill 1, Schemo, Silver Routers. So it goes, there goes. There goes. You have already generated a lot of names in here. 100 posts generated here. Okay. If you want to options here, load list name. If you want to masters, if you want to create 300 and list of core count in the masters for this number of characters. Here you want to edit create 4, and if you want to clear and you want to save the list, and if you want to have some example names in here, okay, some dash in here and some here and here, it will be generated here. I goes some easy generating. If you want to China XN, if you want to use XN, there it goes, so on and so forth. So we're working, guys. Name generator if you want to crack some names. Okay, in here. So this is Sunama signing out on YouTube. Bye, guys.